Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to log, start and end of your period on the Flo app. So the first thing I would like you to do is to launch your Flo application, which of course I have done right here. Now, where can you find the Flo app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch any of those applications depending on the device that you use and go ahead and look for the search bar. In the search bar, type Flo app and follow through with the on-screen instructions to download the app. After downloading the application, it's going to take you right to the sign-in page where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or create an entirely new account. So after doing that and signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Flo app. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to log, start and end of your period on Flo app. So from this homepage, I would like you to head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have your avatar icon. So click on the avatar icon and that takes you right into this window where you have graphs and reports, you have cycle and ovulation, you have settings, you have access code, you have reminders, and you have help. Go ahead and click on reminders. No, not help. Go ahead and click on reminders. So after clicking on reminders, now you have a couple of categories in here. You have the secret charts, you have content, you have cycle, you have the medication and contraception, you have add a peer reminder, you have lifestyle. So head over to cycle, and just right on the cycle you have a couple more features which include period in a couple of days, you have ovulation, you have period end, you have period start. So go ahead and click on period end, and this period end, you can now log your period end. Now toggle this bar, toggle it on, and after doing that you're going to have to set your reminder time for your period end. So don't forget to log your period end date in the calendar. Of course, after doing that here, you're going to have to set the period end date in your calendar. So reminder time, set your reminder. Let's say if you want to set the reminder to like 9 p.m. just go ahead and click on OK, and you see that you have been able to log the start and the end of your period of flow. So this is the end, let's say by 9 p.m. and this is the reminder note. You're going to get this to, of course, set it in your calendar. Now go back, and this is the period start. So click on this period start, and you can also set your reminder for that by just changing the time in here. Okay, now once you do that, you can see that the times have been set in here. Now you can definitely log the start and the end in your calendar. So let's go the way back. Now go ahead and click on this log period option in your calendar, or let's just click on log period because we've not logged the start and end of the period. So let's say this is May, and May is already ending, and this is June. So let's say period is going to be okay. So let's say this it's for 5 days. All right, so this is the start 9th and this is the end 13th. So after doing that, I'm just going to have to click on save, and it says analyzing data. So predictions updated as a period day 1. So you can go ahead and edit the period dates if you want to edit the period dates. So that's pretty much it. Okay, that is how to log, start and end of your period on the Flo app. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.